This is Ghost. He has no webcam, or should I say he's looking to turn his phone into a secondary camera, but he's not sure how to do that. If this is you too, I got you. You too, what's going today? I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a wireless webcam for your streams and recordings. This method is completely free and you do not have to download any external apps. Let's get started. Alright, head over to your browser and search for OBS Ninja. You're going to click on the first link that appears and this page opens up. Click on create reusable link and type the name of your link in here and hit generate the link invite. Now, two reusable links have been created. This first one over here is for your phone and the second one is to put into your streaming software, in my case which is OBS Studio. I'm going to set up the link to my OBS first. Let's go over to OBS software and click on this plus thingy here to add a new source. Then we go ahead and select a browser source. I'm going to name it PhoneCam. Click OK to create the source. Now we're going to go ahead to the browser and copy this reusable link for our OBS browser and paste into the URL section right here. Then I set the resolution for my phone, which is 1920 by 1080. One last thing, make sure this box over here is checked. It helps us to keep the browser source updated in case you switch up scenes so it doesn't just freeze up on you in the middle of your streams. We're going to go ahead now and click on OK. Now I'll send this first reusable link right here to my phone. I personally have Telegram installed both on my phone and my PC to share stuff. You can use any other means, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, you name it. The link just has to be on your phone. Now once the link is on my phone, all I have to do now is to click on it to open up this page right here. Click on share your camera. Now I'll go ahead and allow access to microphone and camera. As you can see here, you can select the camera type you want to use and if you want to transmit audio or not. Then click on the start button right here to begin transmitting your live footage to OBS. And boom, that is it. Mine was quite instant, but if yours doesn't show up as instantly as mine did, you're gonna have to wait for some time or try refreshing your browser source. Once the footage finally shows up in OBS, you can resize it, crop it, flip it to whatever side you want. You can basically go crazy with it over here. And that is how you turn your phone into a webcam. You can share this reusable link to your friends all over the world to join into your live stream. But this can be very laggy if your internet connection is not so good. On the bright side, your mobile phone and your PC do not have to share the same internet connection. So your mobile phone can be on your mobile data and your PC can be on the Wi-Fi. They just have to be strong independently. Anyway, I'll do some research to find a better way to turn your phone into a webcam. So subscribe to stay notified when I post that video. Leave a like as well to support the channel if this video is helpful. And hey, I'm sure you need a tripod to keep your phone in a better position to stream. So watch this video right here showing you an easy way to make your own tripod for materials in your household. Remember, there's always a way if you're willing to look hard enough.